right then, got everything good. Oh, no, hold on. Can't do that before the video. Hey everybody, welcome back to the Miniac, and in today's video I have, and no, this is not a John Cooper Works. This is a Mini Countryman SL4 with the JCW Appearance Package. The JCW Appearance Package is now available in the US on select models, so I thought it'd be fun to show you what you get because it's pretty cool. So initially, Mini did not release this package for the US market, and that was largely to keep the exclusivity of the John Cooper Works the way it was. But there was demand for it. So there's a John Cooper Works sitting over there, in fact. They decided to release it for the US market. So what you get is, you get the JCW grille, you get the JCW front bumper, you get the JCW wheels, the gloss black wheel arches and side skirts. You get a choice of these wheels or the 20-inch wheels on that car. And if you go inside, you get the JCW black seats and the dash. You get everything in here. You even get paddle shifters. And this is really the only way you can get paddle shifters, because in the US market, they didn't initially offer them unless you had a JCW package. Well, not every car had the JCW package, so they changed it. And honestly, this is pretty impressive. I really like this. And of course, you get everything that goes along with the car. You get the navigation, you get the cool center screen, you get your little storage cubby right here, you get your USB-C ports right here, your adjustable armrest right there. You really get a lot of car for the money. And of course, under the hood is a 241 horsepower B48 motor. So you get that. And you even get a factory stress bar, which has been on every single Countryman since day one. And there you have it. The really incredible headlights, all the details here. Power liftgate, in fact. And the one thing the Countryman is known for, lots of storage, and in this case, a spare tire as well. So things that you need, you get. And when you fold the seats down in here, you get a lot of storage space in this car. I mean, just a lot of space. And it's a power close liftgate as well. And there you have it. This is really an incredible upgraded car, and it's $45,000, which is about the price of a JCW hardtop, but you get a lot of cool stuff. You even get a little John Cooper Works logo on the brake caliper, which is really cool. But I like these black wheels. These are the 19-inch ones with 245, 45, 19 tires, and you can even get 20-inch ones, like I said, which look really cool on these cars. Overall, just an impressive looking vehicle. So let me know in the comment section down below, would you buy this? Do you think this is the best way to buy a Mini Countryman S? I happen to think it is, but let me know what you think. And until next time, thanks for watching, and if you like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video.